Could life as we know it possibly exist on Mars? This question has intrigued scientists, researchers, and space enthusiasts for decades. Mars, often called the Red Planet, possesses a set of unique characteristics that make it a world of extremes. Understanding these conditions is the first step towards comprehending the potential for life on this distant planet. The atmosphere of Mars is a thin veil compared to Earth's. Composed mostly of carbon dioxide, it also contains trace amounts of other gases. The atmospheric pressure on Mars is approximately 0.6% of what we experience on Earth. This low pressure is insufficient to sustain human life without the aid of specialized suits or habitats. Moving on from the atmosphere, let's descend to the planet's surface. Mars is a frigid world with average temperatures hovering around -80 degrees Fahrenheit. These temperatures can swing wildly, plummeting to near -195 degrees Fahrenheit at the poles during winter, and rising to a relatively balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit in equatorial regions during summer. Gravity on Mars is another factor that sets it apart. It has only 38% of Earth's gravity. Long-term exposure to such low gravity could result in muscle atrophy and bone density loss, posing significant health risks for potential human inhabitants. Water, the elixir of life, is scarce on Mars. While the planet does have traces of water vapor in its atmosphere and water ice in certain regions, liquid water is a rarity on the surface. This scarcity of water presents a formidable challenge to supporting life as we understand it today. The thin Martian atmosphere also offers little protection against high levels of solar and cosmic radiation. This radiation poses a substantial risk to any potential human inhabitants. Protective measures would be necessary for any long-term habitation. Lastly, Mars is a dusty world. Frequent dust storms sweep across the surface, covering large areas and affecting visibility. These storms could pose challenges for equipment and infrastructures. In summary, Mars is a cold, dry, and barren planet with a thin atmosphere, low gravity, limited water, high levels of radiation, and a dusty environment. These conditions make it inhospitable to most forms of life as we know it. Yet, despite these harsh realities, the Red Planet continues to captivate us. The prospect of life on Mars, however remote, fuels ongoing research and exploration. The quest to understand Mars's environment and its potential to support life is a journey of discovery that continues to unfold, promising exciting revelations in the years to come.